Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your payment couldn't be sent on Cash App. If you're facing this type of error on Cash App while sending money to someone, then I'll show you how can you fix it. Just simply close this page, and firstly let me tell you that you have to make sure that you have put correct information about the receiver, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then what you need to do is just simply make sure that you have put your information correct, like a bank or debit card which is linked with your Cash App account, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then what you need to do is just simply make sure that you have connected with internet, and from here you have to turn the aeroplane mode on at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it off, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings from here, and then you have to search for apps, and then you have to search for Cash App from here like this, and then you have to open it, and from here you have to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then you have to open settings again, scroll it down, and then you have to open date and time, and from here you have to make sure that your date and time is correct, and you have turned the toggle on for time automatic, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then what you need to do is just simply wait for 3 or 4 hours and then try again, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, then what you need to do is just simply open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Google Chrome here, and from here you have to search for Cash App Support like this, and then you have to tap on second one, and from here you have to select your problem like this. From here you have to search for your problem, and then you have to put the correct information about your account, and after 48 hours hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.